choosing to stay away from all the things you said. I'm losing my head, but in a way I like it, babe. I'm losing touchy feelings,